Yo, what's up, guys? So, as I said, I was gonna trade last night, and yeah, I took two trades, one dub, one L. The L was atrocious, but we'll get into it. And there was a potential setup on NQ. So yeah, I'll just go over my trades that I took. So, going into the day or into the night, we were super bullish. So bullish on the 4 hour, and then bullish on the 1 hour as well. Um, yeah, we just marked out some draws on liquidity here. Yeah, right there. Just going into silver bullet hours, the first hour of London. Did take a trade. Did end up getting hit. So yeah, right here, we were in a bit of drawdown, but stuck to our plan. We're disciplined not to close early, and yeah, price at TP of a 1 to 2 RR. So this liquidity got swept. No market structure shift though. Again, we create a lower low, sweeping more liquidity. Market structure shift here and here. I was thinking a bit. Do I enter off this fair value gap, this fair value gap, or this fair value gap? And I end up going with this middle one because here we would have had to target all the way up here. And since we were so extended, I was worried about that. So I ended up taking the middle FVG. This FVG was a bit too small, but yeah, this value gap was decent. So price comes in. I enter at 50%. As we can see, it came down close to our stop, but price ended up going in our direction for a 1 to 2 RR trade. So good trade. And then waited for a bit. Saw this like 5 minute fair value gap. And we came in, so I was looking for internal manipulation. And yeah, price got filled. Price swept this liquidity. Yeah, this was a market structure shift. Finally ended up getting the shift. This was the fair value gap that got created, but look how choppy price is right now. Look how many wicks there are, the indecision in the market. Yeah, so this was our fair value gap. Pretty small fair value gap. And we were super extended, so I should have anticipated some sort of down move and called it a day, but we did take this trade. I entered 50%. Super bearish momentum. I shouldn't have rushed in like that. But yeah, super bearish momentum. We entered, get stopped out. But just look at this internal manipulation setup. It's just so bad. This liquidity sweep is bad. Market structure shift is all the way up here. How long is that? 8:57. That's 18 minutes after the liquidity sweep. And then we enter. So that's 40. We enter 20 minutes later. And just look at that. Look at that setup. Chop, chop, chop. It's just pretty bad. So yeah, we lost on that. I only put like a little bit over 1% on this because it wasn't during silver bullet hours. But yeah, we still ended up taking an L. And then there were no other setups. I was trying to hope for price to come into this liquidity and get swept. But yeah, that's end of our trading hours. So yep, those are my two trades. Yeah, 1 to 2 RR hit, 1 to 1 L, but overall end of the day in profit. So I'll just show you. There we go. So this was the 1 to 1. that we lost a bit over 1% risk of our $1,000 account, and then that was the 1 to 2 that got hit. Yeah, so $55 in profit for this week. Probably won't trade tonight. We've got a ton of red folded users for JPY. But yeah, and there's also a really cool setup in NQ. Let me show you. So on the 4-hour we were bullish. 1 hour we were bearish, so we enter our 5-minute confluences. This 1 hour liquidity that got swept. That got swept. 1 minute. 5-minute. Get swept. Market open. Sweep. Break a structure. Fair value gap. Long that bit. Right there. Stops below liquidity. And targeting external liquidity for almost a 1 to 4 risk reward trade. The price did end up booming it to this liquidity. But yeah. So I reckon a pretty good trading night yesterday. Here's my trade journal. A lot of learning experiences. You gotta encourage losses. So that we don't make them again. So I'm happy that I made this loss. It teaches me to only look for good setups after silver bullet hours and look for higher time frame confluences, and just overall not to rush into a trade. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this video, and see you in the next one. Peace.